Consider the most simple and obvious fact of experience the fact that you are present and aware, regardless of what thought or feeling is also present, regardless of whether an experiencing you is identified. There is simply this undeniable presence of awareness. Now, ask yourself, does being aware have a color or a shape? Is it tired or old? Is being aware located in your head or your feet? Does it have any objective qualities at all? If we're honest about being aware, it's as if awareness isn't even a thing, at least not in the conventional sense, because everything we objectively experience, by definition, has some limited quality or boundary. A thought is not a sound, a feeling is not a sight, and yet the presence of awareness itself is not defined by any of these distinctions. In this way, we don't objectively experience awareness at all, and yet its presence is undeniable. It's the context within which all experience appears, but it's not limited to one object, one sensation, or one thought. And this is where truth tends to leave belief behind. If awareness itself has no boundary, no shape, no age, no location, then it is not limited to you or me. It doesn't belong to a person. It's not a possession. What we refer to as I, that all knowing aspect of our experience, is simply this shared, self evident presence of awareness. Not personal, not separate, not confined, but completely free, open, and effortlessly here. What we are is not defined by experience. Experience is defined by what we are. And what we are essentially is this unlimited presence of awareness.